Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Paper Mario, the Thousand-Year Door on Nintendo Switch. First, you will need to acquire the game, either by downloading it from the Nintendo eShop or by purchasing a physical game card. Once you have the game, make sure your Switch console has the latest system updates installed. Then, simply insert the game card or select the digital title from your home screen to begin your adventure. The core gameplay involves exploring a charming, paper-crafted world and engaging in turn-based combat. Mario can jump on enemies or use his hammer, and timing your button presses during attacks and defense is crucial. Successfully executing these action commands will increase your damage output and reduce incoming damage, making battles more dynamic and rewarding. You'll also solve puzzles using Mario's unique paper abilities. Mario's paper form isn't just for show, it's a key gameplay element. You can fold into a paper airplane to glide across gaps or turn sideways to slip through narrow openings. Throughout your journey, you will meet and recruit several charming partners, each with their own special skills to aid you in both battle and puzzle solving. Additionally, collecting and equipping badges allows you to customize Mario's abilities, offering many strategic options. Paper Mario, the Thousand-Year Door offers a rich, humorous story with a cast of unforgettable characters. Take your time to explore every nook and cranny, as the world is full of hidden secrets, optional side quests, and charming dialogue. As you gain new abilities, remember to revisit older areas. You might find new paths or treasures that were previously out of reach. Enjoy this classic RPG experience on your Nintendo Switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.